Restoration is heaven's intervention for ending all human frustrations. Whatever is the source and the cause of your frustration, God intervenes by restoration to terminate it. So God restores in order to dignify. God restores in order to glorify. When you are in the season of restoration, God cancels out every form of frustration in your life. Beloved, hear me. Wherever you are, all across the globe, whatever frustration you are facing in your life, in this month of May, they shall be cancelled out completely. Whatever make people look at you and say sorry to you, God brings it to an end right now.